Today, we're going to walk through programming from start to finish, A to Z, and the best way to get this part fixtured. It's actually a lot simpler than most people think. Hey, I'm Johnny Blue. I've been programming for over 12 years, machining for 8, and test flying high-performance helicopters for 22. This right here is my tiny ass at 11 years old. We've been doing this for a while, and I do co-own a boring service business as well. So rest assured, I've got nothing to sell you, no pitch, just real knowledge. Grab your notepad, because facts are facts, most people are broke and just need one high-income paying skill. Your first step, as always, create a sketch. You choose your first plane. We're going to go to center point rectangle because it automatically goes to 2-point rectangle. Choose a center, drag away. We do 120 units. Tab by 150 units. Enter. We now go to finish sketch. Home on the top right. We go to extrude, drag up. We are going to only do 20 units actually. So 20, enter. Zoom out only a tad bit. Pan over a little bit to the left. Going to create a sketch again. Choose the top plane. Go to line. We're going to go 3 by 3. That's where we're going to start. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We start here. Drag all the way down. We go 1 square off this. We're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units away. We go up 1, 2, 3 to make it simple, all the way to the other side. Mirror the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units away. 1 unit away, 3 by 3 on the same other side. Mirror 3 by 3, and then you go all the way to the other side. You complete this, finish sketch. Home on the top right. We are going to now extrude. Click on this plane. Drag down, only negative 10 units. It automatically populated that. We now go to create a sketch again. Click this plane. We are going to click center point circle. We go from this center here, drag out 20 units, enter. We go to finish sketch, home on the top right, extrude, choose this, go down, not negative 10, but negative 5. Perfect, automatically gets that. As you can see, we have our first side for our first fixture. What we do now, of course, we create the holes so it can actually hold on. Create this plane, create a circle, go center, 3.5 units, enter, create a circle again. We're already in create sketch mode, out 3.5 units, enter, finish sketch, home on top right, extrude, click and select, go down, negative 10, and then before you click enter, click a negative 10 there. Oop, let's undo that actually. Oop, there we go. Let's extrude again. Let's shift in orbit a little bit so you're able to select both. You go again, negative 10 units, and then select the other one. It automatically does it for you. Click OK. Now we're going to go to thread. Click your first one, OK, and then go back to create a thread again, and click OK. So as you can see, you can orbit and you have your first fixture for your first side. We're now going to create the exact same thing for the other side, and how we do this is this. Do the exact same thing again. Create sketch, choose plane. We go to directly at line. We start here, 1 unit away. We go to 3 by 3 units away. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And then we go all the way to the other side, 3 by 3 units away. Up. And we're gonna mirror the exact same. So remember, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 units away. Other side, drag. Boom. There we go. Finish the sketch. On the top right, select home. We select extrude, select the plane, drag down, negative 10 units as well. Click enter. We're going to do the exact same thing. Create a sketch. Center diameter circle. From the center, out, 20 units, enter, finish sketch, home. Now we are going to extrude again, select plane, drag down, -5 units only, recall. And then we do the exact same thing one more time. Create a sketch, center diameter circle, 3.5 units from here, enter. And then before you create or select finish sketch, we go to center diameter circle one more time, center 3.5 units, enter, finish sketch, home, extrude, select, down, -10, and before you unselect, you can select the next one, and it automatically populates the -10 millimeters or -10 units, however you prefer to say it. We click OK here, and if you orbit, there we go, your full fixture. But again, you got 2 more threads, so you can actually tighten this down. So create thread, isometric point profile at 3.5 units, recall that, okay? And then the last one again, create a sketch, thread, and okay. There we go. If you look, zoom in, zoom out, there's your fixture. It's gonna hold 2 pieces. These are specifically for medical, of course. So if you have any questions, please drop it down in the comment section down below so you can have a custom NC code for your specific machine, but at 2:30 Pacific Standard Time. So if you have any questions, please let us know. But if that's it, we'll see you the next time.